Alright, now I'm on my D9 300, and again I'm trying to make a video to show you how you can level the print bed or adjust the sensor to the print bed. And earlier I had a video about it was on D9 400, exactly the same in structure with D9 300 and even 500. So what you need, all you have to do is at the beginning, after you put the top gantry on, you have to make sure the two sides of the Z rod are aligned. You can either align it from the back of the pillars or two stickers, or if you want to be more precise, you can use a ruler to make it more even precise. And I use the cobbler on the back. And try to be all right. And then at this point you have to lower the X gantry. Actually, you have two choices. You can either use a cobbler on the back, which won't be very precise, and the other one is, and which is more recommended, is go to the menu and to move and try to lower the X gantry from the menu. And I put on this first. And try to find the best distance between the print bed and nozzle. So you can lower it down again. I use my hands and the cobbler, and then try to move the nozzle on all around the print bed, and you should use these screws to adjust the print bed, and this one right here and the back. And that one right here, adjust it again. And just trying to make sure that's okay. So I don't know what happened, what's happening. I'm just trying to press auto leveling now and see what happens actually. And my light is on here. So as you see, once you have the sensor leveled and adjusted, it memorizes the distance between the nozzle and the print bed, then later most likely you don't need to after you receive the printer. And as I said, the best is you lower the printer from the menu. That would be more precise. But in any case, if you feel you need to adjust the sensor, this is the best way actually, if you can do that. And again, I try to lower the printer. Okay, and I think yes, that's almost a good distance. And try to rotate my camera here. And again, if I want to readjust the sensor, what I have to do is just first of all, I have to find the best distance between the nozzle and the print bed, and then try to first of all I loosen the sensor, and then I'm trying to tighten this knot a little bit, but not too tight, because at the end you have to tighten it, and then use a pillar or something like that just to, and as you see again, I just try to rotate to this side because I want it totally gets off, and then I start to rotate it. And as soon as I get it off, I try to tighten this knot. Yeah, make sure it's tight enough, and then again I go for auto bed leveling.